Hey, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of chemical reactions. Now, when you hear chemical reactions, you might think of complex lab experiments, but they're actually happening all around us every day. Take the rusting of iron, the browning of an apple, or the baking of a cake. All are examples of chemical reactions. But for today, we're going to focus on a classic example that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, we're talking about the dynamic duo, baking soda and vinegar. This pair is famous for their fizzy encounters, but what's causing that fizz? Is it just a simple reaction, or is there more to it? Well, it's time to put on your scientist hat, as we delve deep into the effervescent world of baking soda and vinegar. Let's find out what's really happening when baking soda meets vinegar. All right, folks, grab your lab coats. We've got a glass of vinegar and our trusty box of baking soda. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about these common household items. Well, when these two meet, get ready for some explosive action. The secret lies in the unique chemical properties of these substances. Vinegar, or acetic acid, is a weak acid that you often use in cooking. On the other hand, we have baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, which is a base commonly used in baking. Now, when an acid and a base meet, they react to neutralize each other. It's a bit like a chemical dance-off. But this isn't just any dance-off, it's a reaction that results in a spectacular display of fizzing and bubbling. You see, when the vinegar and baking soda combine, they react to form carbonic acid. But this new compound is unstable. It's like a restless dancer that quickly breaks apart into water and carbon dioxide. And it's this carbon dioxide that causes the fizzing and bubbling that we all know and love. It's a perfect example of a chemical reaction happening right before your eyes. And the best part? You can try this at home. Just remember to be safe. Always wear goggles and gloves, and make sure an adult is present if you're underage. So, are you ready to witness the chemical dance-off? Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, acetic acid, are about to tango. Check out this equation. Picture this. At the molecular level, baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. They are like two dancers in a tango, each bringing their unique steps to the dance floor. But what happens when they meet? Well, it's quite a spectacular show. The baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a base, meaning it has a surplus of OH ions. On the other hand, vinegar or acetic acid is an acid, which means it has an abundance of H+ ions. When these two combine, they react in an acid-base reaction to form a new compound called carbonic acid. But here's the kicker. Carbonic acid is an unstable compound. It's like a ticking time bomb in the world of molecules. Almost as soon as it forms, it begins to break down into water and carbon dioxide. This process is called a decomposition reaction. It's like our carbonic acid dancer has done a quick costume change in the middle of the performance, and this is where the real magic happens. The carbon dioxide is a gas and it wants to escape the solution. As it breaks free, it creates bubbles and fizz, the telltale sign of this chemical reaction. It's like a tiny science celebration right there in your kitchen. But this isn't just a fun party trick. This reaction is an example of a broader category of chemical reactions called acid-base reactions, which have numerous applications in the real world. From neutralizing stomach acid to managing soil pH in agriculture, these reactions are integral to our daily lives. So what have we learned? The fizz and bubbles you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar? That's not just a fun spectacle, it's a demonstration of chemical reactions in action. It's a dance of molecules, a fizzing display of acid-base and decomposition reactions, and a testament to the fascinating world of chemistry. Those bubbles you see? That's the carbon dioxide gas escaping. It's like a tiny science celebration in your kitchen. But wait, there's more! Baking soda and vinegar aren't just party animals, they're also quite the dynamic duo when it comes to practical applications in your daily life. Yes, you heard that right. This bubbly reaction has some real-world uses that go beyond the science lab. First up, let's talk about the most common use, unclogging drains. Who needs harsh chemicals when you have baking soda and vinegar at your disposal? Just pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain, follow it up with half a cup of vinegar, and watch the magic happen. The fizzing action helps break up the gunk, and voila, your drain is as good as new. Moving on to the kitchen, this combination can work wonders in freshening up your refrigerator. A small dish of baking soda absorbs odors, and wiping down the interior with a vinegar solution can help eliminate stubborn smells. It's a simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution. That's not all. Baking soda and vinegar can also help in cleaning grout, removing carpet stains, and even making your silverware shine. The chemical reaction at play helps to lift and dissolve dirt and grime, making your chores a little less daunting. But remember, just like in our experiments, safety comes first. Always wear goggles when mixing these substances, especially in large quantities. We don't want any accidental eruptions. So go ahead, give these hacks a try and bring a little science into your everyday life. So, next time you witness that fizzy magic, remember, it's not magic, it's just chemistry. We've journeyed together through the explosive world of baking soda and vinegar from the moment they meet to the fantastic fizzing finale. We've seen firsthand how the base of baking soda and the acid of vinegar combine to form carbonic acid, an unstable concoction that quickly splits into water and carbon dioxide. Those bubbles you see? That's the carbon dioxide gas making its grand exit. And let's not forget the superhero side of this dynamic duo, with their uncanny ability to clean, freshen, and even unclog. But amidst all the excitement, let's remember the importance of safety. Always wear goggles when experimenting to keep those peepers protected. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and above all, keep enjoying the wonders of science. Thanks for joining us on The Science Zone. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay curious. Until next time.